question 19. Okay, this question focuses on colon use. And this is an example of an independent clause followed by a list of examples. In other words, this seems like the perfect situation for a colon. But this sentence is phrased with might include, and a list is what should follow this kind of phrasing. So, in this case, you do not need any punctuation, and thus C is your best choice. Now, just to clarify, choice B is incorrect because when a colon is needed, it takes the place of a phrase like, for example. And choice D is incorrect because the dash is used for information that is slightly off topic or like a sidebar. So, for this particular situation where you have a phrasing that implies that a list will follow, no punctuation is needed, and therefore the correct choice is C.